Good day sa'yo! Today, January 13, Saturday, sinamahan ako ng aking bilas na magpa-cast and para malaman ang gender ni baby. Pinapikit ako ng sonologist nung sa lower part na ni baby bunso yung ini-scan. Shout out to OB Station Clinic and Ultrasound Commonwealth dahil super supportive sila sa pagtago sa akin ng gender. So, only Courtney knows. Ayan, tinakpan yung results sa paper. Just finishing my Friday shift because we're on graveyard or night shift. And then, Saturday morning, yun yung schedule ng ultrasound. Nag-cancel yung OB Sono ng original clinic kung saan nakaschedule ako for CAS. And good thing, we found out about OB Station Clinic and Ultrasound sa Commonwealth. 2,700 yung CAS nila doon. And pwede mag same day appointment as long as walang naka-schedule that day. Ayan, si Daddy Vic, tinatapos lang din yung shift niya. And then, matutulog na lang siya kasi tulog na rin si Klaus. And lagi siyang puyat kay Klaus dahil siya nagbabantay. Kaya di na namin siya sinama. Insulin inject muna ako bago kumain at gumayak. Just to share, I broke down day before dahil sobra ako nasaktan sa injection. And sabi ko sa kanya, ayoko na mag-insulin, ayoko nang mag-prick and talk to my OB. Kailan yung earliest and safest na mas-CS ako kasi scheduled CS naman ako. I'm so blessed that he was just there for me and being extra careful because of all these challenges. Mas madrama ako ngayong buntis. Aww. Time to eat. Favorite ko lately yung Lily's Light. So, wala siyang sugar. It used stevia. So, of course, after I vented everything to my husband yesterday, I have to move on and comply kasi para kay baby naman yun. I was just enjoying it, savoring. Maga pa rin yung mata ko from crying. Plus, I had colitis then, which indicates mababa yung immune system ko. That's why nagkatrangkaso and nagkaubo at sipon. Iniinom ko ngayon is pinakuloang luya or salabat para matapos na yung ubo ko. Done na ako mag-antibiotic pero may phlegm pa rin. So hopefully, tuluyan ng gumaling para mapanatag naman ako for my baby. Ayan, fresh na ulit. And sinuot ko yung polka blue na binili ko last time sa Lazada. Shop link is still in my bio. 150 pesos lang yan. For my chapped lips, I'm using Human Nature because it's organic. So safe for me and I like their cherry flavor. Alright, it's pricking time. Let's see. Ayun, ang taas. 140 lang dapat ang threshold, nasa 175. Kasi nagtupandesal ka pa, girl. Well, move on na. Nasa taxi na kami ni Ces. Finally, we're here sa clinic. Waited for the OB and for my turn. And then done. Ang tagal din ng procedure actually. Shout out to OB Station Clinic and Ultrasound Commonwealth dahil super supportive sila sa pagtago sa akin ng gender. So, only Courtney knows. Ayan, tinakpan yung results sa paper. Dahil nagutom kami ng bilas ko, kumain muna kami sa The Original Paris. Food trip! In fairness, ang sarap dito. Di rin naman ako makapagturok, so for sure, mataas yung sugar ko dito. Bawi na lang sa dinner. Ating gender keeper. Ay mo. Imarmy. Pag uwi nga namin, dumating din si Dida, my dad, para ihatid yung pinabili kong red rice. Kasi naubusan na ako kagabi. Thank you po! At eto na nga, tapos na ang tic-tac-toe board namin na gagamitin for the gender reveal. Made by my bilas, no other than Courtney. Thank you, sis. O, guess na kung girl or boy. FB link to the gender reveal post is in my bio or in the comment section. Alam niyo na, we'll close the hulaan mamayang lunchtime. Okay, see you tomorrow. Blessings!